Good morning, ma'am. My name is Giovanni Bilio Pagalungan from Base A2I. Number 1. Explain why studying STS as a general education course is necessary, taking into account the degree program in which you are now enrolled at the university. The relationship between science, technology, and society is exemplified in the field of agriculture throughout the development and adaptation precision farming techniques. Precision agriculture utilizes scientific advancement and technological innovations such as GPS technology, sensors, and data analytics to optimize the crop yields and resource management. For instance, farmers employ GPS-guided equipment to plant seeds with exact spacing, apply fertilizers precisely where needed, and monitor soil moisture and label in real time. These practices not only enhance productivity but also promote environmental sustainability by reducing waste and minimizing the use of chemicals. The societal impact is significant, leading to increased food production to meet the demands of growing population, improve economic outcomes for farmers, and promoting of sustainable farmers practices. This example illustrates how scientific research and technological advancement are integrated into agricultural practices, resulting in societal benefits such as food security and environmental conservation. Question number 2. Talk briefly on the relationship between science, technology, and society using one example from your field of discipline. In our field of discipline, we don't use phones while eating. Instead, we watch TV together and enjoy our dinner. Television has evolved over the years now. We enjoy watching our favorite shows on Netflix, whereas in the past, we could only watch TV series on a specific channel. Today, we can browse and choose what to watch, especially on platforms like YouTube and Netflix. Technology has evolved in many ways, and most people now rely on it in their daily lives and activities. It has transformed how we access entertainment, making it more convenient and personalized than ever before. That's all. Thank you.